Welcome to our channel. Activating your Fifth Third Bank prepaid card online is straightforward and gets your card ready quickly. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Fifth Third Bank prepaid card website. The URL should be provided in the materials that came with your card. Step 2. Click on Activate Card or Register on the homepage. This option is typically prominently displayed for new cardholders. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit prepaid card number. This number is found on the front of your Fifth Third Bank prepaid card. Step 4. Provide your personal information for verification purposes. This usually includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, address, and phone number. Step 5. Create a username and password for your online account. Choose credentials that are secure and memorable for future logins. Step 6. Set up a PIN for your prepaid card. This 4-digit code will be used at ATMs and for certain transactions. Step 7. Review and accept the terms and conditions of the Fifth Third Bank prepaid card program. Make sure you understand any fees or limitations. Step 8. Submit your information and wait for the confirmation message. Your Fifth Third Bank prepaid card is now activated, and you can begin using it for purchases and accessing your funds online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.